Hey everybody, welcome back to yet another console repair channel. My name is Marvin. I got something a little bit different today. I do have a console to repair, an Xbox Series X, but I'm waiting for an HDI retimer. Apparently it's hard to find. I'm going to get one from eBay. Hopefully it's legit. I don't know. We'll find out. All right, today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I have an RTX 2070, a pretty old video card that's really starting to die. I'm getting random panics, or my PC is shutting down and I'm panicking. But I'm going to take that video card out and replace it. I'm actually not just replacing my Nvidia card, but I'm switching to AMD. I used to rock AMD a long time ago, back in the late 90s, early 2000s, and I switched to Nvidia, but now I'm going to switch back. I've got an RTX 6950 XT. I'm going to unbox it, and then I'll show you the install and then software as well once I get that up and rolling. And we'll take a look at my PC, my personal PC. So let's get started there. So here it is. This is my ASRock Radeon RX6950 XT. This card was about, I don't know, $1,100 to $1,200 when it was first released, and that was, if I'm not mistaken, right towards the end of mining season, and it has since come down to about $700, just under $700, which is what I got it for, brand new. And I'm really happy to be switching to AMD on my personal PC, and just for some, I mean, it's probably not going to make much of a difference. My monitor is a TrueSync monitor, and it'll work with this AMD video card to sync the refresh rate. But at any rate, let's take this out, see what it looks like on the inside. Here we go. There it is. What's this? No idea. It looks like it attaches to the card. It's got a little rubber piece right here. No idea what this is. Leave a comment if you do, or maybe I'll just find out as I'm installing it. Here's the card itself. It is a beefy card. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's long, but look at that thing. Jeez, it's like a triple burger. All right. Anything else in the box? Nothing. What's this? Paperwork. Installation guide, do I need that? No. Alright, let's take a look at the card itself. Wow. That is a monster. This is a monster card. Look at this thing. That's huge. Alright. Take off the plastic here. Anybody still care about the, what is it, the perfect peel or something like that? I don't know. That's still a thing. People still doing that? There it is. This is massive. It's got some heft to it. If you do care about it. There you go. Okay. There it is. A massive card. I can't help but notice this. Oh no. I hope I have enough power for this. I'm pretty sure I do. I've got a 1200 watt power supply. An EVGA power supply. Yeah, I should be fine, but that's a lot of power. Can you see that there? Yeah, up close with this. There it is. That is so we've got one HDMI and 3 display ports. Today, I've upgraded my video card. This is my old RX6950. It's done me well. I mined ETH on this during the whole mining craze, while simultaneously remoting into my work PC and playing countless YouTube videos at the same time, all while mining in the background. And this thing has done me well. No problems at all. Never overheated. Only recently, after having this since just before the pandemic, is when I originally built my computer, or my new computer. It's held up. It's held up ever since then. And today I've upgraded. I've already installed it here. And you can see the size comparison between these two cards. It's pretty massive, if you ask me. This here is an ASRock OC Formula Radeon RX6950 XT. I just got this a few weeks ago, and it's impressive if you ask me so far. The specs are, at least. I haven't been able to, I haven't turned on the PC yet. I've just actually put it in here. This is my Lee PC011 case. I've got 32 gigs of G-Skill Trident Z series in here. I've got an Asus ROG Strix Z390E gaming motherboard in here, and then I've got an Intel Core i7 9700K under here, under this NZXT Kraken. And let's see what else is in there. Oh, so this thing says it takes 1200 watts. I should recommend it, 1200 watts. I don't have a 1200 watt power supply, or not 1200 watts to run it, but a 1200 watt power supply. I don't have a 1200 watt power supply. I've got an 850 watt power supply. I did have another 650 watt power supply, and I figured what I would do is, I'll flip it over. It's heavy. See here, I've got 2 power supplies in here now. I did create a jumper to jump this power supply, just those one of those 2-pin jumpers there. So when this one comes on, it'll turn this one on as well. I've got my hard drives, my SSDs plugged into here, and my spinning drive plugged into here, into my 650. I only have my motherboard power, or my motherboard power and my video card power plugged into this, and I'm hoping that's going to be enough. I don't know, we'll see. And there's some cable management for you. Anyway, we'll see how that works. Here's the back side of this case. I don't know if you'll be able to get this in the camera, but yeah, we can. We can see both power supplies here, and then this is one of those brackets that holds your video card vertical, which is nice. It takes all the slots except for one. I have it raised up a little bit because I had to move my drives around in order to fit that second power supply in. This particular case has a room for that second power supply, or I can put hot swap 5 1/4 inch drives in there. So I took those drives out. I had to put one of those 5 1/4 drives here. One is in the back, and I've got 2 more SSD drives down here. So that's it. I'm gonna plug this guy in. We'll get the drivers installed, and we'll do some benchmarking and see how it looks factory right out of the box. Cool? Cool.